Let's begin by logging into the platform using the owner credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, your central hub for compliance insights. Click on Regulatory Obligations to continue. Here you can see Compliance Status Dashboard. Here, you can view a pie chart showing completed tasks, delayed tasks, and upcoming deadlines for both owners and reviewers. Below, you can see the pending tasks as of the current date. To view tasks scheduled for a future date, use the filter drop-down at the top and select, as on, not yet due. This option displays tasks that are yet to be completed. Once selected, the dashboard will update automatically, showing the relevant pending tasks. Previously, the admin assigned the GSTR6 filing task. You can now see this task listed here. For more details, please refer to the previous video. Click on Filing of GSTR6 Task ID. Next, you'll be redirected to the Task Completion tab. In the Compliance Classification drop-down, all details will be pre-filled based on the task ID. Here, you can also find the Compliance Reference PDF. Click to open it and quickly review the details before proceeding. In the Task Reference drop-down, you can view the task name along with a brief description. It also displays the penalty for non-compliance, the due date, and the priority level. Additionally, it indicates whether proof of task completion is required. In the Task Completion drop-down, the actual work begins. Here, you will find the due value and actual value, which are related to payment details. You also have the option to upload relevant files. Enter the actual date of task completion, which indicates when the assigned task was completed. If required, you can upload supporting documents as proof of completion. Providing an owner comment is mandatory, you must enter your remarks regarding the task status. Here, I am marking the task as completed. Finally, click Save or Send for review to submit the task for verification. Once submitted, the task status changes to completed, and a triggered email notification is automatically sent to the reviewer. The reviewer can then check all the details and has the authority to approve or reject the task based on the submission.